Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're going to explore an essential part of Hebrew grammar, the use of the word et. The word et in Hebrew is a direct object marker, used to indicate the direct object of a verb. It doesn't translate directly into English, but it's crucial for proper sentence structure in Hebrew. The word et changes when used with pronouns. But first let's look at et on its own as a direct object marker. Let's look at some examples. To say I love the book, as a male, say אני אוהב את הספר. אני, I, אוהב, love, male, את הספר, the book. In this sentence, the word et is used to indicate that the verb love, אוהב, refers to the word book, הספר. To say she is giving us the key, say היא נותנת לנו את המפתח. היא, she, נותנת, gives or is giving, female, לנו, to us, את המפתח, the key. So here, the word את is indicating that נותנת, gives, the verb, is referring to המפתח, the key. To say, yesterday we visited the grandparents, say, אתמול ביקרנו את סבא וסבתא. אתמול, yesterday, ביקרנו, we visited, את סבא, grandfather, וסבתא, and grandmother. So here the word את is indicating that the verb ביקרנו, we visited, is referring to סבא וסבתא, grandfather and grandmother. To say, I'm looking for the solution, as a male, say, אני מחפש את הפתרון. אני, I, מחפש, am looking for, male, את הפתרון, the solution. So here, the word את is indicating that the verb מחפש, looking for, is referring to הפתרון, the solution. Now, let's see how את changes when used with pronouns. Hebrew has different forms of את when it's combined with pronouns, and it's important to use the correct form. Let's go over all of them with examples. The word אותי means me. אותי. For example, to say, he saw me, say, הוא ראה אותי. הוא, he, ראה, saw, male, אותי, me. So the word אותי is there to indicate what he saw. The next version is אותך, אותך, which is you when referring to a singular male. For example, to say, I'm looking for you, as a male speaking to a male, say, אני מחפש אותך. אני, I, מחפש, am looking for, male, אותך, you, singular male. The next form is אותך, אותך, which refers to singular female. For example, to say I love you as a female speaking to a female, you would say אני אוהבת אותך. אני, I, אוהבת, love, singular female, אותך, you, singular female. The next form is אותו, אותו, which means him. For example, to say they saw him, say הם ראו אותו. הם, they, ראו, saw, plural males, אותו, him. The next form is אותה, אותה, which means her. For example, to say I will see her tomorrow, say אני אראה אותה מחר. אני, I, אראה, will see, אותה, her, מחר, tomorrow. The next form is אותנו, אותנו, which means us. For example, to say he met us, say הוא פגש אותנו. הוא, he, פגש, met, singular male, אותנו, us. The next form is אתכם, אתכם, which means you when referring to plural males. For example, to say we are inviting you, say אנחנו מזמינים אתכם. אנחנו, we, מזמינים, are inviting, אתכם, you, plural males. The next form is אתכן, אתכן, which means you when referring to plural females. For example, to say the teacher sees you, say המורה רואה אתכן. המורה, the male teacher, רואה, sees, singular male, אתכן, you, plural females. The next form is אותם, אותם, which means them when referring to males. For example, to say I know them as a male, say אני מכיר אותם. אני, I, מכיר, know, singular male, אותם, them, males. The next and last form is אותן, אותן, which means them when speaking about females. For example, to say she heard them, say היא שמעה אותן. He, she, שמעה, heard, singular female, אותם, them, females. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.